wall lined up with awards and this croissant shaped ceiling. I'm gonna go crazy with its decor. But let's just jump to the food. The first thing I tried here is this insalata caprese. This burrata cheese was amazing. And then I tried their special savory pancake, which had a lot of mushroom in it. And the best thing was this hot honey drizzled all over it. I absolutely loved it. Just look at these layers. I went crazy. And finally, to end my meal, I tried their blackberry cheesecake, which was decent and rich and creamy too, so I liked it. So, this is Lavon Cafe to you from me. तुमको पाया है